Good morning, students. Okay, the subject mathematics I am dealing with you today. Hopefully तुम लोग सब ठीक हो. My dear children, हम लोग आज क्या करेंगे? Chapter number 2 from the workbook exercise. That is the lesson number from 1 to 9 because it is the time of some terminal exams. Okay, सब chapter हम लोग फिर से एक बार revise करेंगे so that you can do it easily, perform it easily in your upcoming terminal exams. So I am already discussed these chapters from with you the numbers from 1 to 9. Numbers 1 से लेके 9 तक मैंने discuss किया था आप लोग का साथ, isn't it? So today we going to discuss from the workbook exercise. हम लोग आज workbook exercise से discuss करेंगे. Some portion of the workbook exercise will be done. मैंने example देके कुछ portions आप लोग का साथ discuss किया था. And again I am going to discuss with you some the last portion of the last part of this chapters. Okay, some important questions my dear. ये वाला questions important है, upcoming exam में भी आ सकता है. So आप लोग को ये वाला अच्छे से देखना है and learn how to do it. Okay, easy questions, not very tough questions because we are all know the numbers from 1 to 9. Numbers already we have discussed 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 9, isn't it? So these are the questions I am right now presenting with you. तो ये वाला question मैं present करूँगा. Please here attention to all of you carefully. Okay, let's discuss the questions from the first. So the question number 1. Okay, I am more than 8. Already we discussed the numbers 1 to 9. More than, less than, above, below. So these are the terms frequently come in these chapters. More than means ज़्यादा, isn't it? The one more than means एक ज़्यादा. Suppose in my hand, it is in my left hand, it is 5 fingers. Every hand we have 5 fingers, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more than 5, that means और एक नंबर्स यहाँ पे हम लोग को 8 करना पड़ेगा, isn't it? So one more than 5 means 6, isn't it? Because here we have 5 fingers and another finger, if we edit it, then the fingers, total number of fingers becomes 6. So one more than means 8 ज़्यादा. Okay. Similarly, the questions itself represent I am more than 8. More than 8. तो 8 से कभी नीचे नहीं होगा. That means from the numbers 1 to 8, it's okay. 1 to 7 okay. 8 the more than 1, 8 का साथ और एक numbers हम लोग जोड़ देंगे तो कितना होगा from the 8, 9, obviously 9, isn't it? Let's do it. 9 कैसे होगा? In our both the hands we have 10 fingers. Here we have 5 fingers in one hand and another 3. If 3 fingers we will 8, it becomes 8. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if one more than 8, that means one more needed, isn't it? So it becomes 9. So dear students, here the I am more than 8, the here blank box you have to fill up. Okay, the blank box यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Numbers, answers हम लोग को लिखना पड़ेगा. That means 9. So one more than 8 means it becomes 9. Okay. So second number questions. I come between 4 and 6. Box पे क्या होगा? I come between 4 and 6. What is the number will come in between 4 and 6? Between बोला है. Between that means the word between means बीच में, in between. Okay. Let's take an example. Here in our hand 5 fingers. So middle fingers which one? This one the middle fingers. कैसे middle हुआ? Between हुआ. That means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From both the ends, left hand, लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड दोनों ओर से हम लोग इसको काउंटिंग करेंगे तो ये बीच में नंबर्स 3 पे आ रहा है. दैट मीन्स ये नंबर्स टोटल 5 है एंड मिडिल फिंगर इज द थर्ड वन. दैट मीन्स बोथ द वे इट बिकम्स द थर्ड वन. 1, 2, 3 एंड 1, 2, 3. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड बिटवीन. इन दोनों फिंगर्स का बीच में ये वाला फिंगर्स है, इन दोनों का बीच में ये वाला है. दैट मीन्स इन बिटवीन मीन्स एकदम बीच में. So 4 and 6, in between 4 and 6, if we write the numbers from 1 to 9, let's write the numbers from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. From the numbers 1 to 9, the lesson itself represented from 1 to 9, 1 से 9 तक हम लोग लिख लिया. Okay. So I come between 4 and 6. After 4, this one and 4 and 6. तो 4 ये है, 6 ये है. तो बीच का कौन सा वो क्वेश्चन है? Numbers. Obviously 5. After 4, it comes 5, and before 6, it comes 5. That means in between 4 and 6, the number lies is 5. So the answer here will be 5. Okay, clear my dear students? तो यहाँ पे आंसर्स क्या होगा? I come between 4 and 6. That means the number is 5. Clear? Okay. The next questions. Number 3 questions. I am 2 more than 1. Oh, okay. Earlier it is said I am more than 8. Only more than 8. Here the number comes. Here only I am more than 8. More than 8 means we generally we can understand that 1 more than 8, isn't it? You have nothing, the numbers not mentioned here, not more than 1, more than 2, ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं है. But here the numbers I am more than 1. I am more than 1. That means 1 से more than कितना है? More than already मैंने बोला, more than means ज़्यादा, is that it? तो 1 से ज़्यादा कितना ज़्यादा? 2 ज़्यादा. 1 से 2 ज़्यादा कितना होगा? That means 1, 2, 3. So how many numbers? 2 ज़्यादा. I am more than 1. I am 2 more than 1. That means the number क्या आएगा? 3. If we added 1 to 2, 1 का साथ हम लोग 2 numbers अगर add करें तो number itself becomes 3. Isn't it? Here 1 finger and 2 finger हम लोग add करेंगे तो total finger कितना हो जाएगा? 1, 2, 3. Obviously 3. The number 3 will come if the question is I am 2 more than 1. So 2 more than 1 means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Here as addition part is not coming, but we need to understand the tune, the wordings, but actually asked. Okay, तो ये words क्या हम लोग को पूछ रहे हैं? That means the I am 2 more than 1 means 3. Okay, I hope you will understand. Okay, next question number. ठीक है, next question पे जाते हैं. Number 4, that is I am the greatest number below 10. Oh, I am the greatest number below 10. Here the relation is only from 1 to 9. So which number will be the greatest? Yes, I am already writing these numbers in sequencing orders पे मैंने already लिख दिया from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which number is the greatest here? If we compare the numbers in between, कौन सा number सबसे greatest है? Greatest means in the term of value term, in value term पे भी greatest होगा. कौन सा number सबसे ज़्यादा है? Okay, so which number is the more than? And the questions asks number 4, I am the greatest number below 10. Obviously below 10 पे ही होगा because the relation itself represent below from 1 to 9 only. तो 1 to 9 से सबसे not the 10 numbers, सबसे only the single digit numbers we are discussing here. So कौन सा number सबसे greatest है? Obviously from ending numbers, starting number is 1 and the ending number is 9. The 9 is the greatest number below 10. Mind it. सबसे ज़्यादा number greater number कौन सा है? From 1 to 9, the 9, and the smallest one is 1. Okay, mind it dear children. सबसे greatest numbers below 10 है, that is 9, and the smallest one is also maybe the question asked. Okay, isn't it? The question पूछ सकता है what is I am the smallest number below 10. Smallest number below 10, which one? The 1 हम लोग बोलेंगे, isn't it? 1 is the smallest number in the series. Okay, and 9 is the greatest number in that series. So 9 सबसे greatest है and 1 सबसे smallest है. Clear? एकदम clear होना चाहिए, isn't it? Okay. We are dealing with mathematics. We are dealing with right now the numbers. The mathematics itself represent the numbers, and the subject itself name is the maths magic. So हम लोग maths magic की ओर dealings करें, numbers से हम लोग dealings करेंगे. That means we must love the numbers, dear children. Okay, let's proceed. Next questions. Number 5. I am 1 less than 8. I am 1 less than 8. Earlier the questions we have found that I am 1 more than or I am 2 more than 1. I am more than 8. More than 8, that is 9. Now I am one less than 8. The word here coming less. Less means come, isn't it? Below, come. Only one part, only one less than 8. Here 1 less than 8 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 8, 9 will come, and before 8, 7 will come. So which number is less than 8? Obviously, if we compare the three numbers from 7 to 9, 7 to 9 से हम लोग compare करें, which one is the greatest number here? 9 is the greatest number and 7 is the smallest number, and between 7 and 9, 8 will come, isn't it? The 8 is coming. So between 7 and 9, 8 is coming. The 1 less than 8 means obviously the number 7, because 7 is less than 8. How much less than 1? After 7, 8 is coming. That means only 1 less than 8. So here the answer will be 7. Okay. Mind it, less than means come, more than means ज़्यादा. Okay. Okay. And greater than means बड़ा, and smaller than means कम. इससे सबसे कम. Here the number 5 is greater than 4 and 5 is less than 6. हम लोग ऐसे कह सकते हैं, isn't it? Here I am circling the numbers 5. Just I am mentioning you 5 is greater than 4. 5 4 से greater है because 5 is coming after 4, isn't it? तो sequentially हम लोग arrange किया है इसको. 4 5 coming आ रहा है after 4 and 5 is coming before 6. So 5 is greater than 4 and smaller than 6. तो हम लोग ऐसे wordings में express कर सकते हैं. Okay, dear student. तो wording is the main thing. So wording matter करता है. So this is the word related problem. So you need to understand. Okay. So सबको ये समझ में आना चाहिए. ये this is the questions of understanding level. We can say that this is the question of understanding level questions. तो ये चैप्टर ने हम लोग को क्या सिखाया? That means what we learn from this chapters from 1 to 9. Nothing is there. Only the numbers will come. Which is the numbers? Only 9 numbers will come from the 1 to 9. But the numbers from 1 to 9 only है. But यहाँ से बहुत सारा questions हम लोग को मिल रहा है. So that we need to focus. Okay. So what is the numbers, or how can be the numbers will be expressed, or less than, greater than, more than? So these are the words you are using generally. They are asking us the questions, isn't it? तो हम लोग को question पूछ रहे हैं. So let's do it intelligently. So we need to focus every time, dear student. Okay. Let's proceed to the next questions. Number 5 finished, and after that number 6. I am 2 less than 5. Earlier it is 1 less than 8. Now I am 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5, that means what is the number come before 2? Sorry, before 5. 2 numbers before 5. Before 5, that means less than means before हम लोग use कर सकते हैं, isn't it? The less means कम. किससे कम? Less means 5. Obviously 5 से आगे number नहीं जाएगा, पीछे आएगा, isn't it? Clear, dear students? Because I am 2 less than 5. So whenever there is a questions that less than, the number is always below that number. Here the number is 5. That means 4, 3, 2, 1. The 4 numbers are here. This will be the answers. How much less than? 2 less than. So let's count. 5 is here. 2 less than 5. 5 is here. 2 less than 1, 2. That means if the now question is asked in that way, I am 2 less than 5. That means 1, 2, 3 will be the answers. Okay, here 3 will be the perfect answers. So 2 less than 5, the 3 will come here. Okay, clear? And if the question is asked 2 more than 5, what we will have to do, dear student? Can you tell me? तो क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? If we here ask 2 more than 5, if instead of less, यहाँ पे word क्या use करते हैं? More than 5. तो what is the number? What will be the number will come? Answer will be different obviously. तो more than word use कर रहे हैं, तो more than that means 5 से पीछे जाना पड़ेगा, isn't it? Because here 4, 3, 2, 1, all of the numbers less than 5, and more than 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9. So more than 2 more than 5. 2 more than 5 means 1, 2. Obviously the answer here will be then the 7 will come. I am 2 more than 5, that is the answer 7 यहाँ पे होगा. Clear? अभी less than हो रहा है 5, that means the number is below 5, that is 3. How much below? 2 below the number 3. So this way we need to understand and solve the questions. Okay, dear student, hopefully ये सबसे easy तरीका है. Okay, anything you have query or doubts in your mind, you can ask me or the comment below the sections. Okay, after this video I will reply. Okay, next number 7. Number 7 क्या है? I come after 3. I come after 3. Okay, earlier we have dealing with the word more, less, greatest, less. These are the word we are dealing. Right now it is coming after. After means but, isn't it? After means पीछे. तो what? I come after 3. After 3 का बाद कौन सा? Here is the 3 numbers. तो 1 2. 1 2 is the before 3 and after 3 is 4 5 6 7 8 9. So all the numbers after 3 is here. So which will be the answers? I come after 3. So many numbers are coming after 3, but here the exact answer will be I come after 3. Not mentioning that 1 after 3, 2 after 3, 4 after 3 ऐसे बोला नहीं है, ठीक है. So whenever they did not ask this type of questions, how I am come after 3, then it is the number exactly after 3. That is the answer. Here we will have to write 4. Okay, यहाँ पे हम लोग आंसर लिखेंगे 4. Okay, dear students, so exactly पूछा नहीं है तो I am come after 3 बोलने से हम लोग यहाँ पे आंसर क्या लिखेंगे? That is 4. Clear? Okay, next numbers. Question number next 8. I come before 9. Okay, then again afterward using before means पहले. Okay, पहले. So यहाँ पे license numbers from 1 to 9 only we have to learn here. Okay, after 9 is not there. There is a logical questions, isn't it? I come before 9. The after 9 तो है नहीं questions यहाँ पे because numbers not I'm mentioning here after 9. So I come before 9, that means exactly before 9 कौन सा वाला numbers है? Obviously 8 का बाद 9 आता है, that means before 9 8 will come, isn't it? So here 8 will be the answers. Easy, dear student. So every time, every minute, the word, this line, what is actually asked to do, ये क्या पूछ रहे हैं हम लोग को? So we need to focus here. Okay, so same type of wordings are coming, only the meaning is only the word is different but meaning all almost same. Less means स्मॉलेस्ट, हम लोग ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. लेस स्मॉलेस्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और बिफोर को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. एंड मोर मीन्स आफ्टर, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. द नंबर्स आफ्टर. ओके, द 3 टाइप्स ऑफ, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ यहाँ पे अभी तक वर्ड मिला? मोर, बिटवीन, अगेन मोर, ग्रेटेस्ट, लेस, लेस एंड आफ्टर हो गया एंड बिफोर हो गया. 4 दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्ड्स. Okay, 8 number up to finish. Last 2 questions, 9 and 10. Let's do it. Okay, I am 1 less than 1. Oh, 1 less than 1, that is means which number will come 1 less than 1s? Here we have not found any numbers before 1. Okay, and less than 1. Then what number will come? I am 1 less than 1. Anyone can ask? Anyone can? Please think it. 1 less than 1 कैसे होगा? I am 1 less than 1. That means 1 से पहले तो कोई numbers होता ही नहीं है. 1 means only single 1. The value of 1 means 1 rupee coin or 1 rupee things or 1 rupee 1 marker only. Okay, तो हम लोग अगर थिंग्स पे रिप्रेजेंट करें तो इसको ओनली 1 मार्कर डालेंगे. 2 बोलेंगे तो 2 मार्कर डालेंगे. इज दैट इट? एनीथिंग, एनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स. 1 बोलेंगे तो 2 फिंगर्स कभी नहीं देंगे. 1 बोलेंगे तो 1 फिंगर्स देंगे. ओके, सो आई एम 1 लेस देन 1. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या होगा? आई एम 1 लेस देन 1. सो दैट मीन्स हियर 0 विल कम. 1 लेस देन 1 मीन्स 0. 0 मीन्स नथिंग एक्चुअली. 0 itself. It is a number invented in India. The zero means nothing. Whenever we need to write 10, 20, 30, 100, 1000, the numbers zero have value. But before the number zero doesn't have any value. Okay, हम लोग 10 लिखेंगे तो ऐसे लिखेंगे, is not it? 1 and 0, 10. And 1 and 00, that means 100. It is more valuable. अगर तुमको 100 रुपये एक नोट दे, अगर 10 रुपये नोट दे, कोई कंपेयर करे तो 100 रुपये नोट इज मच वैल्यूअर देन 10. ओके, आफ्टर नंबर्स का बाद अगर जीरो लगेगा देन इट इज इन वैल्यू, बट बिफोर जीरो तो 1 ये है, बिफोर हम लोग 0 1 लगाएंगे तो इट इज नो वैल्यू. 1 मीन्स ओनली 0, 1 मीन्स 1, नथिंग इज. अगेन अगर और भी एक 0 लगा दे तो 0 0 1 मीन्स वैल्यू बढ़ गया है, बट इट डजंट मेक ए सेंस. द वैल्यू अगर नहीं बढ़ा है, बिकॉज मैंने ऑलरेडी मेंशन किया कि 1 का एनी नंबर्स का बाद 0 लगाने से उसका वैल्यू होता है, बट बिफोर द नंबर्स 0 एनी वैल्यू नहीं देते. ओके, क्लियर माई पॉइंट. सो वाई 1 लेस देन 1 मीन्स 1 से 1 लेस कर दे, दैट मीन्स ये 1 इन माई हैंड 1 मार्क का पेन, इसको हम लोग हटा दे तो 0 हो गया. सो द 0 numbers we need to write here. Okay, clear my point? The 0. Number 10. I am the first number people use in counting. Okay, I am the first number people use in counting. Counting अगर हम लोग start करते तो 0 से कभी counting नहीं करते, is that it? I am the first number people use in counting. तो which number we will count first? Obviously not 0. 0 मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं लिखा है, बस आंसर लिखने के लिए यहाँ पे दिया है. I am the first number people use in counting. The people use in counting generally numbers. First number is 1. Always counting करते हैं 1 से. Okay? तो these are the called 1 numbers. Natural numbers हम लोग लिखेंगे तो 0 will come. But अगर हम लोग whole numbers, okay, whole numbers लिखेंगे तो 0 will come. But natural numbers लिखेंगे तो 1 से start होगा. Okay? 1 2 3 4. Okay, let it go. Now this is the not right time to discuss natural numbers, whole numbers. Okay, हम लोग नंबर से डीलिंग करें. ओनली यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड 1 से लेकर 9 तक कितना सारा नंबर्स है, 9 नंबर्स. एंड विच नंबर विल कम फर्स्ट? 1 इज कम फर्स्ट एंड 9 इज द biggest one digit number, or below 10 9 is the biggest numbers and the smallest number is 1. And here from 1 to 9 how many numbers are there? 9 numbers. Exactly in between the which numbers? कौन सा नंबर exactly in बीच में है? दोनों पॉइंट से हम लोग अगर काउंटिंग करें 1 2 3 4 5, फ्रॉम 9 से भी इस तरफ से भी काउंटिंग करें 1 2 3 4 5, दैट मीन्स 5 इज द एग्जैक्ट इन द मिडिल नंबर्स इन द लाइन सेगमेंट द नंबर सीरीज फ्रॉम 1 to 9. तो 5 नंबर्स एग्जैक्टली मिड पोर्शंस पे आता है. ओके, क्लियर माय स्टूडेंट्स? सो दिस आर द इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस मैंने तुम लोग का साथ डिस्कस किया. सो इट इज मे बी एग्जाम पे ये वाला क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. ओके, सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होपफुली तुम लोग ये रिमाइंड करोगे इसको एंड फोकस करो, वीडियो अच्छे से देखो. एंड थैंक यू फॉर टुडेज क्लास. मैं और भी क्लासेस लेके आऊँगा इस चैप्टर की ओर. एवरी टाइम द वर्क फ्रॉम द वर्कबुक फ्रॉम दिस डेज कंटिन्यूस में दिस टाइप ऑफ वीडियो विल कम. ओके, टिल दैन थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.